to work on my shopping cart project here in Saltcorn, and I was running into a problem where I would put an item in my cart. Let's add this item to a cart, and then let's go and take a look at our cart, and we can see that the item that I added is right here. But I would press this checkout button, and that checkout button is supposed to fire an event that basically takes everything out of your cart and converts it to an order. So it just relabels it. Let me see if I can go back down to here so I can show you what's happening in the database. So any of the orders that are in cart, you see down here it says in cart right there. So any of the orders that are in cart and they're in this particular user's cart, converts it to on order. So it's on order instead of in your cart. But and when I would tell this button to fire an event that converts it in the database from a something that's in your cart to it actually being on order, and it would do that. It would convert it, but it wouldn't refresh the page to show you what all of this, the updated cart looks like, because it's supposed to, now that they're not in your cart anymore, they're not going to show up here. So I couldn't figure it out, and it turns out that the events, when you run an event that refreshes the page, and that's going to look like, I guess I can just show you on the blocks because it's easier than writing it out. So it's supposed to look like this. I have a block that's a JavaScript block that says return, reload, reload page true, but it would never work. It would never reload the page. But I figured out that if you write it in the actual button, like the button where you execute even the server-side code, the server-side code that updates the database is all right here. I just copied it over from the block into this, I guess we're running JS code on the button. And then I write it here where it says return reload page true, and I have it set to run on the server. It does reload the page right after it updates the database. So it updates the database first, and then it reloads the page. And I couldn't get that to work when it was inside of the events. And the reason, I don't know what the reason is I couldn't get it to work inside of the events, but the events, I guess, just get executed on the server, and it doesn't send anything back to the client side, but if you run it on the button, apparently it does. So as far as I can tell, this action section, this event section, is kind of useless, because if I have to run it in the button anyways, why would I even do it here? Maybe there's a reason, I don't know, maybe for sending emails or something like that, but I finally figured it out. I've been stuck on this thing for like 2 days, why I can't get this button to reload the page after it updates the database. So I have an item in my cart, I press checkout, and it removes it from the cart and updates the database. So I'm very excited because this has been a really long time coming. But anyways, I want to share that information just because it's something that I think that more people might find useful. Anyways, talk to you later.